What's up, y'all? Trucker Star Sean here. I'm out in the dark. I'm gonna show y'all a clip from earlier today, what happened. This is from my dash cam. Check that out now. Alright, now that you all saw that, I'm going to show y'all what's going on right now. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like and comment. Y'all want to own a truck? This is what it's like. Well, this just happened. Let me go to the other side. Y'all can see better. Oh, if you can't tell, it's been one heck of a day. You see that? That's supposed to be straight. You see them fins? They're supposed to be attached. Yep, not a good night, you guys. Not a good night. We'll figure it out though, y'all. Check in tomorrow, and y'all put a video out on how the heck we're gonna fix this. Wonderful. Let's see if I can fix it without having to get it towed. Check in tomorrow. I'll let you go. That being said, y'all have a wonderful evening. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Keep the rubber side down, y'all.